Welcome to Learn with Rensha, Learning English channel. We use past tense to talk about something that happened before now. In the past, there are 4 types of past tense. Number 1. Past simple. Number 2. Past continuous. Number 3. Past perfect. Number 4. Past perfect continuous. Past simple. We use past simple to talk about a finished action in the past. I played football yesterday. She visited her grandmother last week. They watched a movie last night. He studied English in school. We went to the park on Sunday. My brother cleaned his room. Lisa bought a new dress. I woke up early today. The dog ran in the garden. We ate pizza for dinner. Past continuous. We use past continuous to show that something was happening at a certain time in the past. I was reading a book at 8 p.m. She was cooking dinner when I arrived. They were playing outside. We were watching TV last night. He was sleeping during the class. The children were laughing loudly. I was writing a letter. She was talking on the phone. They were dancing at the party. We were eating when the lights went off. Past perfect. We use past perfect to talk about something that happened before another action in the past. I had finished my homework before dinner. She had left when I arrived. We had seen that movie before. They had eaten before going out. He had cleaned the room before guests came. The train had gone before we reached the station. I had lost my keys before I found them in my bag. She had written 5 pages before the bell rang. We had closed the shop at 6 p.m. They had played that game many times. Past perfect continuous. We use past perfect continuous to show that something was happening for some time before another action in the past. I had been studying for 2 hours before the test. She had been working all day before she took a rest. They had been playing football for an hour. He had been reading that book for weeks. We had been living in that city for 5 years. The dog had been barking since morning. I had been waiting for the bus for 30 minutes. She had been learning English for 3 months. They had been talking for hours. He had been driving all night before he stopped. Now you know the 4 types of past tense. Practice these sentences and try to make your own. The more you practice, the better you get.